Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Sudarshan and you are watching RotorcraftFoundation. And our today's topic of discussion is Chetak, the helicopter that built India's RotorcraftFoundation. This helicopter didn't just fly, it built India's helicopter industry. The Chetak, the backbone of Indian rotary aviation for more than 60 years. For decades, when India needed rescue, reconnaissance, transport, training, or naval operations, one helicopter answered the call, the Chetak. From Himalayas to high seas, the battlefields to disaster zones, the humble machine quietly shaped India's rotorcraft capability. The story begins in 1956 when the French company Sud Aviation designed the light utility helicopter Alud 3. India saw its potential, and in 1962, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL) began licensed production. It was named Chetak, meaning the swift one. Chetak became India's first mass-produced helicopter, laying the foundation for nation's helicopter industry. Chetak served in Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, Indian Coast Guard, and the Army Aviation Corps. Thousands of pilots flew their first mission in this helicopter. Chetak proves one powerful truth. Great revolutions often begin with simple machines.